Hello everyone, welcome to this solution video for the age calculator program. I currently have my Replit open already with the first 4 lines of the comments that we require on every program written down already. Starting off with our title, which is age calculator program, followed by the author name, the date which the program was completed, and a little blurb about the purpose of the program. The purpose of this program is to calculate your age based on the birth year alone. So to start off, let's set up our input. To calculate our age, we're going to need 2 values, the birth year and the current year. And we need to hold them in variables, so let's create those variables. So I've created a variable called birth year, and it's set to the integer input of enter your birth year. So the integer function is going to convert our input into an integer. And this message, this string message of enter your birth year, that is just a prompt that we're going to output to the user so that we give them instructions on the program. With the exact same idea, we're going to get a value for the current year. Current year. Perfect. So now we have 2 variables that we need to do our calculation. So we're going to go into our processing part. So in our processing part, we are calculating age. So let's create a variable to hold that value. Call it age. And the algorithm to calculate our age is just the current year subtracted by the birth year. Now to wrap this program up, let's just do a little output to see what our age is. So we're going to go output. We're going to go print. We're going to write a message of UR. Then I'm going to separate that by the value of age. And then put another string statement called years old. Now within this one print statement, we're going to combine those 3 items, parameters in our print statement and output UR blank age years old. So let's go. Let's run this program. So my birth year is 1992. My current year right now is 2020, and it outputs that you are 28 years old. All right, kids. So overall, this was a very basic program where we get to look at the 3 stages of the IPO model, where we're looking at the input, processing, and the output. Just please make sure that the variables goes to the left and any values for the variable goes to the right. If you're dealing with numbers for your inputs, make sure to convert your input into an integer by using the int function. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.